first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 4, Day 3. Listen as I say a word, light. How many sounds are in light? L, I, T. 3 sounds. I'm going to say more words. Then we will make the sounds in each word. Sky, S, K, I. 3 sounds. Light, L, I, T. 3 sounds. Flight, F, L, I, T. 4 sounds. Pie, P, I. P, I. 2 sounds. Tried, T, I, D. 4 sounds. Fry, F, I. 3 sounds. Right, I, T. 3 sounds. Blind, B, L, I, N, D. 5 sounds. Find, F, I, N, D. 4 sounds. Sigh, S, I. 2 sounds. Okay, this is our third day, so remember we're working on long I. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wild. 3, 2, 1. Try. 3, 2, 1. Right. 3, 2, 1. Tie. 3, 2, 1. High. 3, 2, 1. Cry. 3, 2, 1. Fright. 3, 2, 1. My. 3, 2, 1. Blind. So if you said blind, remember we're doing long I says I. 3, 2, 1. Sight. Okay, here we go. We'll do one together, then we'll take turns. I. Word, try. Your turn. Word, child. Together. I. Word, night. Your turn. Word, dried. Okay, let's blend. Full I. Word, fly. I. Word, right. Okay, now we'll take turns. Your turn first. Okay, so now we'll take turns. So your turn first. Word, light. Sk, I. Word, sky. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. High. Together. I'd. Word, tide. Your turn. Word, find. Together. By. Your turn. Word, high. Together. I-t. Word, bright. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Pie. Together. I, old. Together. Word, wild. Okay, so this time you're going to do it in your head. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Tree. 3, 2, 1. Try. 3, 2, 1. She. 3, 2, 1. Shy. 3, 2, 1. Say. 3, 2, 1. Sigh. 3, 2, 1. Flies. 3, 2, 1. Cried. 3, 2, 1. Sighed. 3, 2, 1. Fried. 3, 2, 1. Spied. And last one. 3, 2, 1. Tried. Okay. Oh, here's some more. So we'll do one together, then your turn. So this is I, sk, eyes. Word, skies. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Flying. 3, 2, 1. Crying. 3, 2, 1. Dries. 3, 2, 1. Frying. 3, 2, 1. Tries. Okay, here's our sentence. This is a different name. We don't hear it very often. It's Dwight. So Dwight tried to fry 5 eggs. Again, Dwight tried to fry 5 eggs. Okay, next. Why did the shy child cry? Here are our high frequency words. Caught, 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 caught. He caught a big fish. Flew, 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 flew. The plane flew high in the sky. No, 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 no. Do you know my name? Laugh, 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 laugh. The joke made me laugh. Listen, 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 listen. Listen to this song. Whir, 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 whir. We were cold at night. Here's our story. So this says A and I. J takes flight. Together. J takes flight. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Does. 3, 2, 1. How. 3, 2, 1. Move. 3, 2, 1. Can't. 3, 2, 1. Would. Okay, here we go. Your turn. We'll do it together. J takes flight. J is an ant. J does know how to go fast and slow. J can move things from the road. But when J jumps, he can't take flight. Okay, here we go. Mo the moth likes bright light. He flaps his wings high to reach it. Jay asks, "Hi, can you show me how you go so high?" No, moths were made with wings. If you flew, you would be a moth. Okay, here's our next one. So he's going to talk to the bee. Bree the bee likes to laugh as she buzzes around. Jay likes to listen to Bree as she buzzes. He says, "If you take me up high, I will get you a pint of milk." "I do not like milk," Bree said as she buzzed away. Okay, last page. Jay finds a kind ant with wings. He asks, "Will you take me up high?" The ant smiles and yells, "Yes." Then the ant caught Jay and flew up high. Okay, so what a nice story. So today we are working on letters that end in Y. So this word is try. But when I want to say something happened in the past, I want to cross off the Y, put an I, and ED. That means it happened in the past. Now if I want to say he tries, I'd still cross off the Y, put an I, ES. Okay, so tries means it's happening now. Now if I wrote trying, the Y stays the same because we don't put two I's. See how different that would look? We don't do that. Okay, so fly becomes flies. See how I crossed off the I? But, oh, we're missing a spot. They forgot oh, it becomes flew. So this is a rule breaker. So fly, you cross off the I, put an I, flies, and flying. Notice we didn't get rid of the Y. But when I want to put it in the past, we don't say flied. We say flew. That's a rule breaker. So we have cry. We'll do ing first because that doesn't change. So crying, we just add ing. But if we want cries, we have to cross off the Y, add an I, ES. Or in the past, cried, cross off the Y, put an I, ED. Okay, let's look at dry. Dry. Let's do drying because the Y doesn't change. So it's drying. That stayed the same. But when I want to put dries, like he dries the clothes, I'm going to cross off the Y, put an I-E-S, dries. And last of all, if it's in the past, I cross off the Y, put an I-E-D, dried. Okay, so Y stays the same when I add ing. But if I'm going to add ed, I have to put an I. If I'm going to put es, it has to be I-E-S. Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you later. Bye.